Hey guys, I sent out a video I think last week about your Canvas gradebook and using the message students who feature where you can message students who haven't submitted something, haven't been or haven't scored less than or scored more than. I'm going to show you today how you can use that. Shout out to Miss Jenkins to help you take attendance maybe a little bit faster now that we're using that attendance quiz feature that we talked about in the faculty meeting on Monday. So first off, if you have not set your filters on your Canvas gradebook, please do that. It's going to make things a lot easier for you. You click on View, Filters, and then you can choose what filters you want. Grading periods is by 6 weeks. Remember to add due dates to all of your assignments, quizzes, discussion questions. That way they show up in the gradebook. If you want to grade something, you need to add a due date. Modules. This way I can look at each individual module, whether that's by day or by week. And then I'm not looking at a whole 6 weeks worth of assignments and trying to pick through them. And then by class period. This one's going to be especially important if you want to take roll quickly or quicker. I don't know if it's going to be quickly, but it will definitely be quicker. So I'm going to go find my attendance quiz for this week. It is right here. And so instead of going down the list and matching to my paper copy or however I'm going to keep track of that, I'm just going to, all of these mean that the kids have turned them in. They just haven't been graded. If you're going to do this, you have to make sure to put a due date on your assignment so it'll show up in your grade book for that day. But instead of just going through SpeedGrader, I can go to Message Students Who. And I've got 6 kids who haven't done that attendance check yet. And so I mark them on my paper copy. They're already in alphabetical order even up here. I mark them as the people who haven't submitted yet. I type a little message like, do your assignment before 11:59, and I will change, currently you're absent, but if you do it before 11:59, I can mark you present. I'll change it. Send that to the kids, and then that way they know that they are responsible. And if you'll do this right before you take attendance or right at the same time that you take attendance, you'll probably cut the number of absences that you actually are having to put in and change probably by half. So one more time, you're going to find that quiz or discussion question, whatever it is, but you're going to click on those 3 dots right next to it. So you're going to hover, get these 3 dots. You're going to message Students Who. You're going to choose Haven't Submitted Yet. You're going to email them and let them know, hey, do this by midnight tonight so I can change your attendance tomorrow. And then you'll take that list and go enter them into teams as ABS. I hope that helps. Again, shout out Miss Jenkins. That's a great time saver.